Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1988 to 1995 Hilux and pickup trucks. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Unbolt the transmission from the transmission crossmember. You can support or remove your transmission. Then, remove the bolts retaining your transmission crossmember with a 17mm socket. Step 3. Our part features a perforated plate that you can remove to fit over your existing front body mount. If you plan to keep your body mount, remove the plate at this time. If not, cut off your body mount. Then, cut off the bracket that retains your transmission crossmember. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Take your front frame section and slide it onto the frame. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your front frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 5. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your transmission crossmember with a 17mm socket, followed by reinstalling your transmission. Then you're done.